Hello, in this video tutorial, we will talk about how to import data from Excel files in Power BI. We also show how to use particular fields from the data to create a simple visualization. Shall we start? Welcome to Made Easy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated Made Easy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. In this video, we use the Excel workbook World Data. This workbook has two sheets, World Population and World GDP. Now, see how to import these data in Power BI. Click on Get Data. You can see the Excel workbook there, or locate the Excel workbook button on the Home tab. Click on it to launch an open dialog box. Navigate to the location where you've saved the Excel file. Once you've found it, double-click on it or click it once and then choose Open. A navigator window will appear on your screen, displaying the tables from the World Data file. They are sheets in Excel, but in Power BI, they are treated as tables. As you select a different table, the preview pane will update to show that table's information. You can scroll through to get an overview of the data. Check the boxes in front of each table to select them. In the bottom right-hand corner of the navigator screen, you'll find three buttons: Cancel, which closes the window, Load, and Transform Data. Click on the Load button this time. You'll learn more about the transform data later. When you click on Load, a progress box will appear, showing the tables being loaded and processed. You may also briefly see a yellow band across the top of the screen. At first glance, it may seem like nothing has changed in your file. However, if you look in the data pane, you'll notice that the data from Excel is loaded. All the tables come in collapsed by default. You can expand them to view their fields. In the report view, you'll see the fields of the table, but not the actual data within them. Here's an example of how to visualize this data. To do so, expand the Visualizations pane and select any type of visualization. Here, we will create a simple stacked column chart of the continent's population in 2023. In the Data pane, expand the World Population table and tick the checkbox of Continent and 2023 population. Power BI will create a column chart for you. To expand the view, click on a corner, hold the left mouse button, and drag. So now you know how to import data from Excel. And if you'd like to learn more about how to easily create other visualization types or how to modify them further, watch other video tutorials from Made Easy. In another tutorial, we will show you how to use different types of visualizations and how to change its default color. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other tutorials by Made Easy. Is this your first time on Made Easy? We'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey.